What is Arbutus unedo? Arbutus unedo, commonly known as the strawberry tree, is a charming evergreen shrub or small tree native to the Mediterranean region. It's admired for its ornamental appeal, with leathery, dark green leaves and striking, strawberry-like fruits that ripen from green to red. This plant is valued not only for its visual appeal, but also for its ability to thrive in a variety of soil types and conditions. See more 14 species in genus Arbutus at monsterholic.com. Is Arbutus unedo fruit edible? Yes, the fruit of Arbutus unedo is edible, though it's not widely eaten due to its bland flavor and gritty texture. The fruit can be used to make jams, liqueurs, or eaten fresh, but it's generally considered less palatable compared to other fruits. Despite this, it's a fun addition to your garden, especially if you enjoy experimenting with unusual ingredients. Can Arbutus unedo fruit ripen off the tree? No, Arbutus unedo fruit does not ripen off the tree. The fruits need to stay on the plant to fully develop their flavor and texture. Harvesting them too early means you'll miss out on the best flavor and ripeness. When to prune Arbutus unedo? Pruning Arbutus unedo is best done after the flowering period, typically in late winter or early spring. This helps avoid cutting off potential blooms and ensures the tree maintains a neat shape. Regular pruning encourages a healthy, well-shaped plant and removes any dead or crossing branches. How to prune Arbutus unedo? To prune Arbutus unedo, start by removing any dead or diseased branches. Next, cut back any branches that are crossing or growing inward to improve air circulation. For shaping, trim back overly long branches to maintain a balanced shape. Avoid heavy pruning, as this can reduce the plant's flowering potential. How to take care of Arbutus unedo? Taking care of Arbutus unedo involves regular watering, especially during dry periods, but it's important to avoid waterlogging. The plant thrives in well-drained soil and can tolerate drought conditions once established. Fertilize in spring with a balanced fertilizer to promote healthy growth. Ensure it's planted in a sunny location for optimal health and fruit production. Is Arbutus unedo deer resistant? Yes, Arbutus unedo is considered deer resistant. The plant's tough, leathery leaves and its overall bitter taste are not particularly appealing to deer, making it a good choice for gardens where deer are concerned. Is Arbutus unedo poisonous to dogs? Arbutus unedo is not highly toxic to dogs, but can cause mild gastrointestinal upset if consumed in large quantities. The fruit and leaves may cause discomfort, so it's best to keep pets away from the plant to avoid any potential issues. Can dogs eat Arbutus unedo? While Arbutus unedo is not highly toxic, it's best to prevent dogs from eating the fruit or chewing on the leaves. Ingesting large amounts could potentially cause digestive upset or discomfort. Does Arbutus unedo fruit attract rats? Arbutus unedo fruit can attract rodents, including rats, especially if the fruit is left to decay on the ground. To minimize this issue, regularly clean up fallen fruit and maintain a tidy garden area. Does Arbutus unedo stain concrete? Yes, the fruit of Arbutus unedo can stain concrete surfaces. The berries, when overripe or squashed, release a juice that can leave stains. Prompt cleaning of any spills or fallen fruit helps minimize staining. How far apart do I space Arbutus unedo trees? When planting Arbutus unedo trees, space them about 10 to 15 feet apart to allow for their full growth and to ensure good air circulation. This spacing helps avoid overcrowding and competition for resources. Where to buy Arbutus unedo? Arbutus unedo can be purchased from specialized nurseries, garden centers, and online retailers. Look for local nurseries that specialize in Mediterranean or ornamental plants for the best selection. How to germinate Arbutus unedo seeds. Germinating Arbutus unedo seeds requires patience. Start by soaking the seeds in warm water for 24 hours to soften the seed coat. Plant them in a well-drained seed-starting mix and keep them in a warm, sunny location. Germination can take several weeks to months, so be prepared for a slow start. What is the mature size of Arbutus unedo? Arbutus unedo typically reaches a mature height of 15 to 30 feet with a spread of 10 to 15 feet. Its size can vary depending on the growing conditions and whether it's grown as a shrub or small tree. Arbutus unedo versus marina. Arbutus unedo and Arbutus marina are often compared due to their similar appearances. However, Arbutus marina is a hybrid variety known for its larger fruit and more compact growth habit compared to the standard Arbutus unedo. Both are attractive options, but differ in their growth characteristics and fruit size. Arbutus unedo versus compacta. Arbutus unedo compacta is a dwarf variety of the standard strawberry tree. It grows to a smaller size, making it ideal for smaller gardens or containers. The compacta variety maintains the same appealing fruit and foliage, but in a more manageable form. Can you grow Arbutus unedo indoors? Growing Arbutus unedo indoors can be challenging due to its size and light requirements. It's best suited for outdoor gardens, but if you have a large, sunny indoor space and can provide the necessary conditions, it might be feasible. What to plant with Arbutus unedo? Arbutus unedo pairs well with other Mediterranean plants like lavender, rosemary, and oleander. These companion plants have similar water and sunlight needs and can create a harmonious garden landscape. Common problems with Arbutus unedo. Common issues with Arbutus unedo include fungal diseases like powdery mildew and pest problems such as aphids. Regular maintenance, proper spacing, and good air circulation help minimize these problems. Overall, Arbutus unedo is a versatile and attractive plant, providing year-round interest with its evergreen foliage and unique fruit. With proper care and attention, it can be a valuable addition to any garden.